what are our options for proving triangles congruent? Well, we know that we could prove all 6 corresponding parts are congruent to show that the triangles are congruent. Or we have our shortcuts. We talked about side, 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 angle, and then most recently angle, angle, side. And we proved that. That's the only theorem thus far. Well, if we think about having some shortcuts with our sides and angles, we can make a list of all possible combinations of sides and angles to work with. So here's our list. Okay? This list, we've already proved some of them, so let's get out our highlighter. Let's see which ones we already know, right? So we know side, side, side. We know side, side, we know angle, side, angle, and we know angle, angle, side. Well, side, angle is the same thing as angle, angle, side, but we just usually say angle, angle, side. So consider that one taken care of. So basically, there's 3 options left. Well, if we look at these bottom 2, whoa, I don't know what happened. If we look at those bottom 2, yes, oh my gosh, bad word. Oh, what is this bad word? Well, guess what? We write it this way, okay? Side, side, angle is the same thing as angle, side, side. And let's see if that's going to be a way to prove congruence. So here I am in Sketchpad, and I have these 2 triangles, and we're going to see if angle, side, side, or side, side, angle, same thing, is going to be a way to prove congruent triangles. So look at what we have. We have our angles, corresponding angles, marked as congruent. We have the orange sides, which are also marked as congruent, and our green sides, marked as congruent. So just by looking at this pattern, it's angle, side, side. Angle, side, side. Now, if it's truly a way to prove congruence, there is no other way that we can sketch a triangle or make the triangle with those same dimensions and come up with a different triangle, meaning that they should always be the same without changing angle, side, or side that are already marked. Well, watch what happens. If I take this point, conveniently marked as drag me, I'm not changing the size or the length of that green side. I merely just dragged it over. So see, I'm like whoop, swinging on over. Okay? If you think about, oh, I shouldn't have done that. Let's Control Z. Okay? I can shorten up. Now I can connect these 2 points. Let's hide this guy. I just constructed another triangle. Let's change that size, that color, so it doesn't look the same, right? I should change it to gray. Okay. I just constructed another triangle that is not congruent to the same one, but yet has the same angle, side, side. So can we say that angle, side, side, or side, side, angle is a shortcut to prove congruence? No. I just provided a counterexample. So angle, side, side, and side, side, angle does not work. We could cross it off of our list. So if we come back to our list, this is the bad list, right? Bad list, cross it off. Let's see. Cross it off. Pen. Bad. So what I always like to say is if you write angle, side, side, either they're forwards or backwards as an answer, you are what you're writing. Get it? If you write that, that is not good. So the last one is angle, angle, angle. Let's see what we could come up with for angle, angle, angle. Think about if you think, what are your thoughts? Is angle, angle, angle a way to prove congruence? All right, angle, angle, angle. Let's see what we have here. So we're going to do a construction to show you what you think about angle, angle, angle. Now that is all 3 corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, so I'm going to start just keeping it basic, making an equal angular triangle. Okay, I could verify that it's equal angular. I could measure all my angles. Measure angles. So this angle here is 60. Do the same thing here. Measure 60. Yep. And then we know by the triangle sum theorem that angle there is also going to be 60, right? I don't really need to show it, but just so you know. Now, if angle, angle, angle were truly a way to show congruence, there would be no other triangle I could draw other than this exact triangle that has that's equal angular, all three angles 60 degrees. So watch what I can do. I come back. Oh, look at this one. So if I measure its angles, do you think they're going to be 60? Oh, yes it is. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Do it one more time. Measure angle 60. So I just made angle, angle, angle. Does angle, angle show congruence? Yes or no? No. Cross it off the list. No, 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 no. So we want to prove congruence? Here's our ways. I can include side angle, angle, but it's the same thing as angle, angle, side. These are our shortcuts for now. I can promise you there is going to be one more.